Now, Duck, this is what I have to say to you. This is what I have to say to you. Why? Just do it, Duck. Why? Bad Duck. Tell me what you did, Duck. Just tell me why. Just tell me why. Don't make me cry.
I feel like it. That's what I feel like it.
Bad Duck. Where do you think you're gonna go whenever you're grown up?
To the place all the fun people go.
Yeah, jail, little Duck. And there's gonna be no one to put your bed.
Okay, that's where I'm gonna go. And I say I'm gonna go take all my money and spend it all. And I say again,
you're not gonna get no dough. You're not gonna. The only dough you're gonna get is if you become a big dude.
you're gonna get it now. Yes, you is. Yes, you is.
I don't think so, little Duck. So, you're gonna have to save, or you're gonna have to pay someday. Yeah, here's what I have to say, little Duck.
I ain't no little duck. I'm a fish looking duck. Man, yes, you treat me that way.
Well, if you listen to me good and treat me well, you might, whenever you grow up and get paid, you might get a house by the day. So do you hear? You don't want to go.
I want a house where all the old people feed me my food.
Oh, really, little Duck? Just listen to what I have to say. Please
It's
don't
free.
please.
It's free. Why would you want anything free? This is what I have to say about somebody who doesn't want it free. Okay? You want to see? Yeah!
Little Duck, this is what I have to say. Just go play all day. This is a video of the JM Incorporated. Thank you for watching this video.